Whosoever said that money cannot buy happiness simply did not know where to go shopping. But that's true in many aspects. Fashion is a serious business, serious but fun. In a world where customers have virtually unlimited choices, writing irresistible fashion copywriting can make people want to live in your clothes. Hi, my name is Harjeet, and in today's video I'll be sharing some useful tips and tricks that will help you write amazing copies of content for the fashion industry. Number 1. Define what makes your product unique. It's okay to include features but emphasize more on the benefit. Number 2. Who wants to read a couple of paragraphs telling people what to wear and what not to? Try to keep it short and sweet. Make it simple but significant. Number 3. Always follow the mantra of bait, hook and sell. Bait your customers with high quality pictures of your brand along with captivating descriptions. Hook them by telling your brand story, your position in the market, or maybe your USPs. Now when you have convinced them, it's time to provide them with a simple, clear and straightforward interface that will directly lead them to the checkout page. All these tips can surely help you write amazing copies of content that will enhance user engagement. For all your content writing needs, come direct to SEO Discovery because we have what it takes to survive the cutthroat competition. And trust me, we are as fashionable as talented we are. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel in case you have not and hit that bell icon for future updates. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.